Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of setting up or logging into your USCIS account at my.uscis.gov account. This step-by-step tutorial will ensure you can easily navigate the USCIS online system. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the USCIS website. Open your web browser and go to the USCIS account page by entering the URL my.uscis.gov account. This will take you to the official USCIS login page. Step 2. Create a new account. If you are new to USCIS online services, you will need to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button. Step 3. Provide your information. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure the password meets the security criteria listed on the page. Step 4. Confirm your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation message from USCIS. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once your email is confirmed, return to my.uscis.gov and log in using your email and password. You may need to complete additional profile information, such as your address and phone number. Step 6. Review and agree to the terms. Read through the USCIS Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Once you understand the terms, agree to them to proceed. Step 7. Logging into your account. To log into your account in the future, visit my.uscis.gov account again. Enter your email address and password and click the Login button. Step 8. Navigate your dashboard. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can track your applications, receive updates, and manage your settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections of your account. Thank you for following along in this step-by-step guide on setting up or logging into your USCIS account at my.uscis.gov account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.